Timeless Concepts from Physics Helpline. This is a video tutorial series through which we will sharpen our problem solving skill. In this video tutorial, we will discuss a multiple choice question with only one correct option on the angular momentum of a particle moving in the xy plane. The question is as follows. A particle of mass m is equal to 2 kg is moving in the xy plane such that its position vector at time t is given by rt is equal to 2t I cap minus 3t square j cap. Then the angular momentum of the particle with respect to the origin at time t is equal to 2 seconds is. The options are 36 k cap, 34 into I cap minus k cap, 48 into I cap plus j cap, and minus 48 k cap. Before proceeding to solve the problem, let us analyze the method to be adopted. Two quantities are given to us in the question: mass of the particle m and position vector rt. From position vector, we can find the velocity at time t. Then, using mass and velocity, we will find the linear momentum p is equal to mv. Now, using position vector r and linear momentum p, we find the angular momentum at time t from the equation Lt is equal to Rt cross Pt. Finally, putting t is equal to 2 seconds, we get the required result. Now for the answer. The situation is shown in the figure. It is given that mass of the particle m is equal to 2 kg. It is moving in the xy plane. Position vector at time t is given by rt is equal to 2t I cap minus 3t square j cap. From the position vector, we can find the velocity by using the relation Vt is equal to d by dt of Rt, which is equal to d by dt of 2t I cap minus 3t square j cap. On differentiation, we get Vt is equal to 2 I cap minus 6t j cap. Therefore, linear momentum of the particle at time t is given by Pt is equal to m into Vt. Putting the values and simplifying, we get Pt is equal to 4 I cap minus 12t j cap. Therefore, angular momentum can be obtained by using the equation Lt is equal to Rt cross Pt. Therefore, at t is equal to 2 seconds, we have L2 is equal to R2 cross P2. Putting t is equal to 2 in equation 1, we get R2 is equal to 4i cap minus 12j cap, and putting t is equal to 2 in equation 3, we get P2 is equal to 4i cap minus 24j cap. Equation 4 implies L2 is equal to R2 cross P2, which implies L2 is equal to 4i cap minus 12j cap cross 4i cap minus 24j cap. Here we perform the cross product term by term, which on simplification gives 16 into I cap cross I cap minus 96 into I cap cross j cap minus 48 into j cap cross I cap plus 288 into j cap cross j cap. We know that I cap cross I cap and j cap cross j cap are both null vectors, which gives L2 is equal to minus 96 k cap plus 48 k cap, which is equal to minus 48 k cap. Therefore, angular momentum of the particle at t is equal to 2 seconds is equal to minus 48 k cap, which is the answer to the question. Therefore, the correct option is D, which completes the answer to the question. Thanks for watching. If the video is helpful, then please like, share and subscribe.